This right here is your brand. Or at least it should be. Because in a world full of $1 bills, where everyone looks the same and scrolls past the same forgettable bios and headlines, you need to be the $2 bill. The one they stop for. The one they remember. And today, I'm going to show you how to do that by fixing one of the biggest mistakes you're making. Your bio. Most people, they write their bios like a resume. It's boring, it's predictable, it's safe. And you know what safe gets ya? Ignored. As a television producer, I knew within seconds if a show would make it or not. Okay, not everything, but that gut, it tells you everything. Just by the title alone many times. Because that title, that's your first impression. And guess what? Your bio, it's the title of the show. And if it's not hooking people instantly, they're tuning out. So today, I'm going to walk you through a framework I put together. It's called Pitch, P-I-T-C-H. So you can craft a bio that hooks. It positions you as the go-to expert and makes you unforgettable. And if you want the step-by-step checklist to craft your bio, hey, good news, I got one for you. So grab it now. Here's the link. DM me, I'll get it over to you. So here is the pitch framework breakdown. P, position yourself clearly. Here's the mistake. Most bios, they don't actually tell people what you do in a way that matters. So here's your fix. Lead with clarity. Here's an example. I help who do what so they can result. I help who do what so they can result. So here's a TV example. Shark Tank. You know exactly what it is from the title, right? So imagine if Shark Tank was the incredible title that I'm going to come up with right now. Some entrepreneurs try to get investment money from some business people in some weird content contest setting. A little long, yeah. But would you watch it? Didn't think so. You tuned out. You're out. Because your bio, it works the same way. You've got to make it obvious and you've got to make it powerful. So that's P. Moving on to I. Intrigue with a hook. So here's a mistake. Generic bios like, I'm a realtor or I'm a coach. Here's your fix. Use powerful, bold language that sparks curiosity. And that second part is the most important. Curiosity. Example, Survivor versus the title that they didn't name it, People Live on an Island. Survivor versus People Live on an Island. One is a hook. The other, People Live on an Island. So tell me, you know it sounds better. All right, here's another example. I help people buy and sell homes. I help families find their dream home and build generational wealth. See the difference? All right, so T, tell. Tell them why you're different. Here's a mistake. Just blend in. But here's your fix. What is your $2 bill factor? What makes you different? Here's a TV example. The Bachelor. Dating shows existed before, but this one had a unique hook. And if you don't know it, I'm going to tell you the hook. Look, Every industry is crowded. There are 100,000 real estate agents, millions of coaches. The internet is a sea of people doing the same thing. So why should someone pick you? Ask yourself, what do I do differently? What's my story? What is my unique process? What's the only thing I can say? All right, moving on to C. Connect with emotion. Is this the mistake? You forget that business, it's about people. People want to be in business with people that they like. First, have to know them. But here's your fix. You got to speak to their pain points, their dreams, and their desires. You know them because you probably lived with them. So here's a TV example. Extreme Makeover Home Edition. It's not just about renovations. You know, if you watched it, it's about real emotional impact. I'm talking about real emotional impact. If you weren't crying, you don't have a heart, or you weren't watching. Lots of Kleenex was used in the watching of that television show. So the part that people miss most is that emotional impact. Because if you're not making people feel something, they're not going to remember you. That was a byproduct of the speech I gave at the AI for Business Live event. I made people feel something because I first felt something. It was authentically me, and the way that I delivered it hit almost everyone in that room. And I'm so grateful that each and every one of them, they're going to remember me for it. Be that person. Be memorable. Listen, if Extreme Makeover Home Edition was just Bob the Builder fixing kitchens, no one would care, except for your 5-year-old. But it's not. Extreme Makeover Home Edition could be about single moms getting their first home, veterans finally having a safe place to live. It's about heart. So your move, your bio. It isn't just about what you do. It's about why it matters. Why should anyone care? Make them feel it. And H, have a clear next step. What's the mistake? No call to action, or as they say, CTA. No reason for them to stay engaged. So here's the fix. You have to tell them where to go next. Is it an email list? A call? Social media? What is it? So for example, TV does this, like American Idol. You don't just watch, you vote. Engagement matters. So you know what TV shows and brands have in common? The good ones? They keep you engaged. This is why American Idol makes you vote. It's why Netflix auto-plays the next episode. They pull you in, and they keep you there. So here's your move. Your bio actually needs a call to action. Where should people go next? Are they going to direct message you? Are they going to join an email list? Going to book a call? Make it easy for them to take action. Look, your bio isn't just a few words on a page. It's the title of your personal brand. It's the difference between being forgettable and being this $2 bill. Now it's your turn. Why don't you grab my free Your Bio Unscripted checklist? Here's a link, and let's make sure your bio hooks. And if you're serious about building a brand, and everyone should be, and a brand that attracts opportunities, by you getting that checklist, you're going to join the You Unscripted waitlist, where I'm going deeper, much deeper into personal branding and storytelling and finding your unique you. Because right now, the industry you're in is full of $1 bills. Do not be another one. It's time to make your brand binge-worthy. See you in the next episode. Video.